This well-maintained 3-unit multifamily home presents an array of attractive features that make it a highly desirable property, especially for those considering owner occupancy. The first-floor unit stands out with the convenience of its dedicated laundry room, while both the first and second-floor units boast forced air furnaces for efficient heating. The second and third-floor units have their laundry facilities in the basement, with the third-floor unit benefiting from a space heater for warmth. Each of the first and second-floor units comprises 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. The third floor offers a cozy 1-bedroom layout. Noteworthy upgrades in 2017 include new windows and 2 new furnaces, enhancing the property's overall appeal and functionality. Furthermore, the presence of a detached 2-car garage provides ample storage and convenient off-street parking, adding to the property's value and convenience. The utilities for the year 2023 were: gas $2,020.